you need to listen this. So do you know you can start an online business and create multiple streams of income with it, and it can run on autopilot and generate profits for you 24/7. So if you are serious to learn anything like this, that how to create an online business, how to start your own online business, affiliate marketing business or email marketing business, because audience, everyone is going on internet, okay, everyone is searching things on internet. So there is a huge potential to make money on internet by creating your online business. Okay, so if you are serious to learn about that, register for my live webinar. I am going to do a live webinar on that. So it will be a live webinar, no replays or recordings will be there. So meet me live, and I want to help you in this. If you are serious, only then register for that and attend that. So go to the link below, register for my live webinar. I will meet you live, and I want to share the best ways how you can start your online business. What is the exact system that is working for me and for many other affiliate marketers, online business owners, email marketers. Okay, so you can create many types of online businesses and multiple streams of income with it. So if you are serious, just go below and register for my live webinar and meet me live. I want to help you, and this is my mission to help people, to help them to start their online businesses. Okay, so just go to the link and register for my live webinar. Thank you so much. Bye bye.